Alright, so what's going on, you guys? It is your boy DBraw, and I'm gonna hit you guys with the reaction, but I'm gonna incorporate some other people in it because I have actually already seen these, and so I'm not trying to do a fake reaction. I'm hoping they haven't seen it. If they did, then I guess this video will not be seen by anyone. Y'all try to get in this camera, bitch.
Hey! That's not nice.
Bring your ass here.
That's why you got that camera and brought your ass there while I stayed back.
That shit look kind of nice though, right?
Yeah, you like that, right? Yeah. Hi.
This is gonna be a reaction. Have you guys heard of the Flipagrams?
Yeah, it's like a little video thing on Instagram.
No, I haven't heard of it.
It's actually a video on Twitter.
I ain't heard of shit.
Have you heard of it, Desmond?
No.
So Flipagram is basically where they like show pictures and they like the guys like kind of roasting them.
Oh.
I find them hilarious.
Oh, when they be like face that, like that shit.
No.
Oh, fuck you.
Oh, they're taking that bitch out.
Wait a minute. Gosh, he wants to wear his glasses so bad. He got a penis. Mike Wazowski.
Yo, they taking these niggas out.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No. Look at the top of his head. Look at his lips.
Hell no. Oh, that's disgusting.
Oh, shit.
That's disgusting.
Steak burger.
Yo.
Oh, he tried it.
He tried it. Why is this nigga laughing like that? What the fuck?
Yo,
Desmond, there you go. That was you. Fuck you. Oh, mega my ass. Oh shit. Oh, you got my son hurting, dog.
Yo, he took garbage.
Oh shit.
oh shit.
Oh, he gets better there.
Oh hell no.
They're taking this dude's out, bro.
I think I can.
Oh my god.
Oh, look at this dude there.
You was full.
Look at his lip.
I got one of those.
Look at his big forehead.
No! Oh, damn!
Fry me.
This man's want me to roast his whole family.
Harry.
No, look at this one. Bobby from Lizard Lake.
This nigga's laughs at it? What the fuck is that?
His laugh make it funny.
Like he choking or some shit.
His laugh make it funnier than the shit. Oh damn, that's fucked up.
That's a big bitch.
Bro, look at your nose, bro.
Ooh.
baby.
Oh, I am legend, Payson. Look at that baby.
Yo.
Look at that baby. Look like a fucking.
This nigga was bored as hell.
Nigga probably go high as fuck. You gotta be high as fuck to think about it.
Lord forgive me, she looks like the mouse from Cat Dog.
That's fucked up.
He looked like the dude from Glee. He looked like Sam Smith. Boy, I look like a sack of buckwheat pancakes. Boy, bring that strong jawbone ass here, boy.
35 degrees.
The fuck is that? That hyena in that bitch right there. The fuck?
I'm sorry, I gotta do this to you. You already know what he looks like.
Oh shit.
The video was okay. I felt like if I was high, it probably would have been more funny, in my opinion. But what about you?
Man, that shit was funny as hell. At some point, some of them shits were funny as
A
fuck.
few, but it wasn't nothing like
Like, you know,
no,
towards
but
the
his
end-
laugh though.
Yeah, his laugh.
That
and
shit is
everything.
funny.
Goddamn
That
hyena.
nigga
What the fuck,
took
nigga?
that nigga out.
Nigga, I will take
Damn.
your ass out, nigga.
Nigga said with the Batman nose. God,
He killed that nigga with the bat. That nigga nose look like he's about to fly away and shit.
But yo, real shit though. Follow me, Snapchat, DNAS92. You know what I'm saying? You can follow me on Instagram too. I really don't give a fuck about Instagram. But Snapchat though. Females mainly. Fuck niggas.
Okay.
But if you want to, I don't give a fuck. Do what you do. But females, how you doing?
They definitely go with your little sniffing ass. Strong nose.
Strong nose.
Fuck what he talking about is Laker dude, you know what I'm saying? Follow me on Snapchat, Stooks1992. It will be below. STUKES1992, nigga. Instagram, no longer Earthbound if you want to. Don't give a fuck about Instagram. But Snapchat,
Yep.
follow me.
That's nice. And,
Watch my life. It's grind time, bitch.
It's Mr. Money time.
You know it.
Yes, sir.
We out here.
Ha!